In this video, we're going to factor and solve trinomials. So after factoring each of the following trinomials, solve for x. For example A, I have x squared minus x minus 6. So for this one, I'm going to draw the x as usual. If you identify your terms, A, of course, is 1. B is a -1 and C is a -6. When I multiply A and C and put it in the top of my x, I get a -6. In the bottom, I get a -1. Two numbers that multiply to give me -6 and add to give me -1 are -3 and +2. The factored form is x minus 3 times x plus 2. But now I have to set my equation equal to 0 because I have to solve. How do I solve these? I simply take x minus 3. I set it equal to 0. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. You got it. X equals 3. I'm going to do the same thing for the second factored form, which is x plus 2. I'm going to set it equal to 0. I subtract 2 from both sides, and x is going to equal a -2. For example B, I'm going to identify my A, B, and C. My equation is 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals 0. My x, I'm going to multiply A and C, so 3 times 2 is 6. In the bottom, I have a 5. Two numbers that multiply to give me 6, add to give me 5 are 3 and 2. I'm going to take my 3x plus 3 and put it in parentheses next to my 3x plus 2. And I'm going to set that equal to 0. Please don't forget that leading coefficient. This time A is greater than 1, so don't forget to bring down the 3. After we do this step, we're going to set each one individually equal to 0. So 3x plus 3 equals 0. I subtract 3 from both sides. That means 3x equals a -3. One last step. I divide both sides of my equation by 3. And x is going to equal a -1. The second term, 3x plus 2, we're going to set that one equal to 0 as well. Subtract 2 from both sides, and 3x will equal a -2. One final step, I divide both sides of the equation by 3, and x is going to equal a -2/3.